Hello everyone, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is Jungle Tool using the Marketing Tube software to see the video on the Jungle Tool YouTube channel. See, it's automatically opening up these windows, and each of these windows is a separate Gmail account with its own YouTube channel. And as you can see, it has already accessed the video on Jungle Tool's YouTube channel, and then it will watch that video for the amount of time that Jungle Tool has set. And if you're looking for software that helps you manage a lot of different YouTube channels at once, and if your goal is to do things like seeding, spamming comments on YouTube, farming watch hours, or increasing engagement for your YouTube videos, then this video is definitely going to be a perfect fit for you. See, as you can tell, all of them are watching at the same time, and you can rest assured that each of these windows, these streams, are actually separate devices. And when you just attach a proxy to them, each of these windows will have a different IP address as well. So when you use this method to seed your YouTube channel, what happens? Your YouTube channel won't be affected at all, and it will actually get more engagement and recommendations from YouTube. On the other hand, if you post content organically, especially if your niche has a small audience and your channel isn't very good, then it definitely won't help you at all. So this video is about a bot that will really help you a lot in increasing engagement for your YouTube channel. That's it. Now just imagine you upload a video and you have 1,000 Gmail accounts, then you have about 10,000 YouTube channels, and you just leave your computer running to let it seed your YouTube video. For sure, the chances of your video going viral will be much higher because even without organic views, you already have 10,000 views, and all you have to do is keep grinding like that. This way, you can significantly boost engagement for your YouTube channel. There you go. It just runs automatically like this. It runs on its own for a while, and you can set up the content, the watch time, for example, from 180 seconds to 360 seconds. Then it will automatically comment with the content you enter here. So it will automatically leave comments on your video. Then after you finish setting everything up, there's another feature called repeat action. That means if you turn this on, it will automatically repeat that loop. So with this, you can just leave a computer running all day. You can install it on VPS servers, and then the software will just keep running on those VPSs to seed your YouTube channel for you. And when you farm like that, it's a really great assistant helping you build your YouTube channel more effectively and making your marketing campaigns on social platforms like YouTube more successful. That's it. And when you need to use this software, just contact Jungle Tool via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Jungle Tool will give you detailed advice. And thank you for listening to this video. Thank you. See you again in the next videos on the Jungle Tool YouTube channel.